Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Let's get started. The 10-cent Euro RF coin 1999 is an early issue of the Euro currency, minted before the official cash introduction in 2002, and holds significant historical and numismatic value. This coin belongs to the Eurozone's first generation of coinage, designed to symbolize European unity while allowing each member state to highlight its own national identity on the reverse. The RF marking on the coin refers to République Française, French Republic, which means this specific piece is a French 10-cent euro coin. On the obverse side, the French design by artist Laurent Jorlo features the graceful figure of La Semuse, the sower, a long-standing emblem of France representing liberty, growth, and the nurturing of the nation. She is depicted walking forward, sowing seeds, while sunlight rays extend in the background, symbolizing progress and the spreading of European ideals. Surrounding the figure are the initials, RF, and the 12 stars of the European Union, each star standing for the founding EU countries. On the reverse side, like all 10-cent coins across the euro area, the design is uniform. It shows a map of Europe, with the denomination, 10 euro cent, and 6 fine lines ending in stars, representing solidarity among EU nations. The coin is struck in a special golden-colored alloy called Nordic gold, an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, which gives it durability, anti-allergic properties, and resistance against tarnishing. The coin weighs 4.10 grams, has a diameter of 19.75 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.93 millimeters, with a distinctive, Spanish flower edge that helps prevent counterfeiting. From a collector's perspective, the 1999 issue is particularly important because it was part of the pre-introduction euro coins, minted 3 years before the euro officially entered circulation. These coins were produced to prepare banks and governments, making them among the earliest euro coinages available. Since France was one of the strongest driving forces behind the euro project, the French 1999 coins symbolize the transition from the French franc to the euro. Although they were mass-produced, early euro coins such as the 1999 French 10-cent can have added collectible interest, especially in uncirculated UNC or proof condition. Their value in circulation is face value, but numismatic worth depends on rarity, condition, and demand from collectors. The French 10-cent design remained unchanged in later years, but the 1999 minting is unique as one of the first strikes of the euro system. Thus, the coin represents not only currency but also a political and cultural milestone, the economic unification of Europe and the preservation of French national identity within a shared European framework. The 1999 French 10-cent euro RF coin is not only a monetary unit but also a witness to one of the most important economic transformations in modern European history. To understand its significance, we must look at the origins of the euro project. The idea of a single European currency dates back to the 1960s and 1970s, but it was only in the early 1990s, after the Maastricht Treaty of 1992, that the plan took concrete form. The treaty established the European Union and set the path for a shared currency that would replace many national ones. By 1999, the euro was officially introduced in electronic banking and accounting systems, while coins and banknotes were scheduled to enter daily circulation in 2002. However, several countries, including France, had already begun minting euro coins in 1999 to ensure smooth preparation for the transition. Thus, the 1999 dated French 10-cent coin is part of the very first generation of euro coinage, making it historically valuable. France, being one of the founders of the European Union, played a central role in shaping the visual identity of its national euro coins. On the obverse, the French 10-cent coin proudly displays the figure of La Semuse, the sower, an allegorical figure deeply rooted in French culture and symbolism. La Semuse has appeared on French francs since the late 19th century, designed by the famous engraver Oscar Rodi. She represents progress, growth, and the idea of spreading seeds of hope into the future. For the euro version, the design was reinterpreted by Laurent Jorlo, maintaining the same spirit but adapted to modern aesthetics and to the European context. Around her figure, the letters RF République Française appear, emphasizing France's national identity, while the circle of 12 stars symbolizes European unity. The date, 1999, reflects the coin's early minting, marking France's readiness to embrace the euro. On the reverse side, the design is identical across all Eurozone countries, created by Belgian artist Luc Lux. It shows a map of Europe alongside parallel lines ending in stars, symbolizing the union between member states. The 1999 version of this map is now historic, as it reflects the early composition of the European Union before its later enlargements. Combined with the French obverse, the coin becomes a bridge between national heritage and European integration. From a numismatic perspective, the 1999 French 10-cent coin is an important collectible. While it was minted in large numbers for circulation, its status as one of the very first euro coins makes it attractive to coin collectors worldwide. For those interested in monetary history, it represents the transition from the French franc to the euro, an event that changed the daily lives of millions of Europeans. Before 2002, French people used the franc, a currency that had existed for centuries, but with the introduction of the euro, the franc disappeared entirely.